Hello guys, so welcome to our evening show. Welcome to tonight's show. So how you guys doing? So that they very much okay. All right, so as I can carry and go through some of the evening news where they drop all over the world. So we're starting with Ray Parlour, will be one of the Arsenal legends. So Babako the say Arsenal players say they go bounce back, like they will come back stronger by the time we then come back from this international break. You get yesterday we hear saying that today Tuesday, then they will come back to London, but I never know whether they don't come back. I believe that they're on their way back, but I know they're supposed to don't come back to prepare for the match we'll get by the weekend. You get either Saturday or Sunday. They're about to have a very, very important match against Crystal Palace. That match is a do or die affair. That match is a must win, because when you look at how many money points we don't drop, look at the gap now with Liverpool done the gap. Even Man City done the gap us with 3 points now. So we can't afford any more mistakes, any more points dropping. We can't afford it, which is why Ray Parlour they say the Arsenal players understand it. Do you know that when Ateta is set up in team to play against opposition, they know they set up to fail. You sure they know they carry for mind, so one go lose or one go draw. So things just they happen the way they happen. So my own prayer be say better start with a win. If they win Crystal Palace, they will go see what the next match hold. From the next match, we enter the next match, because no more slacking now. Man City down the better now. Look at Kevin O'Brien don't come back. Baba came with the bang, a goal and an assist. So we can't afford to do any mistakes. All right. So one sad news open here today. Now be the fact say Zinchenko they injured. He gets so Zinchenko gets problem. Is a doubt for Crystal Palace match. Again, that be the problem what we hear now. So we'll just see. Well, anyhow we go Bisha, we'll see how the thing will be. Maybe go recover on time. But from what's in the Evening Standard, they let us know. They let us know say Zinchenko no go play the match we'll get against Crystal Palace. So it just the somehow sad. Okay, somebody they asked me question. Okay, Papa J say why I know they add pictures again. Yes, the problem is say you know say this StreamYard. Oh, they use now why they use stream. If they go like when they do evening show now, at the stream on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube at the same time. Now at the stream only on Facebook. Then when I stream finish, I'll come download the video, come go upload them to Twitter and upload them to YouTube. The problem is say this StreamYard now they pay $20 per month, about $20 or $25 per month. So the card why they use just stop to work now. So I they work on getting another card. They say cheaper cash. They want cheaper cash card. They say payday card. They say Nigerian cards. You don't use and pay dollar something online again. So if you watch the video for the top, you will see powered by StreamYard. I'm using that free version now. Before now the paid version I they use. So this free version you can only stream to one platform at a time, and I cannot even add pictures. As I mention person name, that's supposed to add the person picture, but that good observation because you observe say I know they put picture because I don't feel add them. So before the month end, I go rectify and we don't get the card where I could take pay back. So once I don't pay, then I go feel stream everywhere. I go feel add pictures. So that's why it just be like this. If you notice, I go to say I get black borders. Get so now small problem, Jerry. I go still rectify. So coming back to Zinchenko matter. So this Zinchenko, well, we still get Kivio again because Tomiyasu no day. Tomiyasu don't go Asian Cup. So we still have Kivio. We will manage our Kivio. We don't get choice. Because if we complain for Kivio, say maybe they go lick like a pot of soup. What we go do? We don't get another person who go stay there now. So it is what it is. We just see what we go feed Dusha. Anyhow, whether Zinchenko play, Zinchenko no play, that match that must win. Like from the start of the whistle, we go enter them. Like I want to see a different animal, a different Arsenal with this animalistic behavior. Like I want to see something different to get. So now what me I expect. So no just watch. Now Football London can let us know say Arsenal they willing to sell Cedric Soares to Besiktas as and the reason they say former Portugal coach gets Fernando Santos now don't be Besiktas manager now. So the man said, "Don't the reason Arsenal saying go like to carry Cedric Soares go Benfica." So now good thing you get, it will help us recoup some money. You get, even if na 10 million, even if na 15 million, more shall collect am, because na part of the thing we dey talk about. Say, we just look for how we go take all those players. We say no, they don't really play. They just did there, like all those El Neni, them, all those Cedric Suarez. They start from those ones. You get cashing. You get. So I just did assassin the news today, and they're very happy. In fact, I can't even say no really Besiktas. Say you get other clubs go with even the reason Arsenal say okay, once this Cedric Suarez sell am, see wetin dey happen, wetin dey go forward. Now, another thing we are calling here now, they say the Premier League is reportedly set to change the profit and sustainability rules before the start of next season. You know, say the present law now be the fact say, and they put about how much they put, £105 million. Now be the loss threshold in 3 seasons. So now when they say they want to change the rule before next season starts, I never can know waiting will come be the threshold. In fact, do you know that, because I can't read up, if EPL get their own threshold, what's in Champions, what in UEFA can't get as their own. UEFA threshold now 60 million euros, which is about 49 point something million pounds. That be their own loss threshold. Get so all these things don't dey for long ago, because Football London did a report on it. Say why you be saying that now? In the last 12 months, now the FA can't wake up say they want to implement all these things. They've been there for long. If you say they want to implement all these things, the way Man City they buy players, they pass, buy, carry league like man, buy the best players. Get if you nobody like that, but it is what it is. Even though it comes late, but it is still a good thing. You get, we now welcome development, because if say it don't happen, all this kind of Newcastle, what did they go do Arsenal? Because if you notice, Newcastle as the day ever since they don't get this their new owner, Newcastle have spent over 150 million. Okay, Newcastle to spend 150 million. So that's part of the thing we're talking about. Imagine Arsenal with the price player. Newcastle said we'll call the price the same player. Who be Newcastle? Which Champions League they don't play? Which UEFA competition they don't play to generate revenue? To come and compete for the same player with Arsenal? That is where the owner's money comes in, and that is what financial fair play is here to kick away. Just because your owner has so much billions doesn't mean you can come outside and be spending anyhow. So I'm very, very happy. Then before next season starts, we'll see how much could be the new threshold, or maybe now another thing that won't change. We never really know. So more just to watch. In fact, the Daily Canon also can do another report. Say now we be say don't announce those we breach the law as Arsenal no day now. So moving forward now. So we should be expecting Arsenal to be proactive in the market. Should be the no mention on a name. So when I come aside now, when I come they buy player, because anybody will we buy now, or whether we buy you, whether we sell you, it is not, because the reports where they take punish this Nottingham Forest and Everton now 2022-2023 season. That is the punish them. So anybody we buy now, let's assume say it remain maybe 20 million for us to breach the law. Let's assume now, for argument's sake. Now, assuming say we can buy Ivan Toney 100 million, he gets no yawa, we can buy and we don't say they owe this financial fair play some money, he gets. Then before the season end, or maybe season don't end for the summer, we can still sell some players to actually offset all these things. I don't understand what I explain. Make I explain again. As we did now, like if we want to do the financial reports again, it is going to be the financial report of 2023-2024 season, which means even if financial fair play won't catch us for next, they won't hold us. Now the future, at the end of this season, you get, even when season don't end, look, when season end, you just go tender your reports. No, after season end, you still have to sell some players to balance your books before you go cook up your reports, your financial reports, come and go give the FA, which means moving forward now, we can actually buy whoever we want to buy now. Then later, we sell to balance the equation. So now don't me they think, oh, I don't know how the Mateta they think their own. That plus and minus, let me just do for my own head. In fact, this evening, before I came live, I saw a report from the Daily Mail. This report, Daily Mail carry the Mirror carry. They say Chelsea don't offer £73 million bid for Victor Gyökeres of Sporting Lisbon. This boy has scored 20 goals in 24 games for Sporting Lisbon this season. This is a player where Sporting Lisbon buy from Coventry in Championship. Coventry. They paid about £25 million. The boy was very, very prolific over there. They come and go Portugal. The guy don't score 20 goals in 24 games. That is why Chelsea can go bid Although the London Evening Standard come bring another report trying to say Chelsea, they deny, say they never offer 70-something million. You get now what Chelsea they explain, say they never offer 70-something million. But I know say from every thing like this, truth feed day behind the scam, but more just the watch. You get. But why am I talking about this Chelsea? Because you know they're related to Arsenal. The fact is, as they don't mention Chelsea name, Chelsea can now spend as they like, because any money we they spend now is going to be added in the financial report of 2023-2024 season. And I see somebody for the comment section say, Sir Chooks, why they hammer on this financial, why they emphasize on financial fair play? Baba, you need to be educated on this financial fair play to know how it works. Because as we talk financial fair play, people will think, say, we cannot buy again. No, we can actually buy now since they don't conclude the report of 2022 to 2023. Our name no day for the defaulters. So now moving forward, we can spend, you get, then later we will sell some people. Chelsea did it last season. They bought, and they sold to Saudi Arabia. That's why their names no day for the list. So maybe they understand how things they work. All right, away from that, so Gallas, William Gallas, come upon the question, why it be say anytime we Odegaard no play well for Arsenal will struggle? Why? Why be say somebody else no fit just come take the reign, you get, take the leadership mantle, lead Arsenal to success? Anytime Odegaard no play well, everywhere will just capitulate like a pack of cards. So why it be like that? Look at Man City. Okay, with the brother, they still they try their best. They see they win some games. You get, so now the question where they ask, but the thing they say, maybe they know they compare us and Man City like that. Get, we know be the same thing. You get, Arsenal are still a young team. And the reason we make people they judge Arsenal like this now because of the things where our president, which we don't set precedent last season, you get. So we did like we overachieved last season, sadly, you get. And I thought myself talk and say, what happened last season? No be normal level, now one-off event. So when I know they believe say we let the score goes like that, like that. But it is what it is. I still see points for where Gallas they talk. Let's just call it spade a spade. The reason why Arsenal are struggling when Odegaard is not playing well is because we don't have a decent deputy for Odegaard. So maybe if Odegaard not they play well, maybe don't lose form, we can just remove Odegaard and bring somebody else to play there. That's the major problem where we get. Odegaard is a human being like me and you. He can have off days. Some of them when work for office, now they get off days sometimes now. I know we just day one kind of good mood to attend to customer or do anything. It didn't happen. You get, so we don't get a decent like alternative. You get a cover for him. And not just Odegaard. Have you noticed that even Bukayo Saka, most times even though they for game, we know they play well. Most times if Arsenal won't play, we hear Arsenal legend go say, we are going to win the game if Bukayo Saka has a good game. Imagine that kind of statement. So nobody today we don't hear other kinds of, but against what is they call it, Crystal Palace, make everybody bring the bazooka come, make everybody come play like a match, the cup final, I must win. No story, I don't go accept the draw for that match. That match now win or win. Yeah, that's so me. I did see. All right, so my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the night, that made the fact of Ray Parlour, maybe one of our Arsenal legends, come aside and say Arsenal players will actually come back stronger from this their winter camp break where they don't go do for Dubai. Saying they expect them to come back and hit the ground on like anybody don't tire. Nobody say all those suya where they don't go chop, because I see at that when they chop salt be suya. That was a celebrity suya. I thought that they chop the guys suya, they flex and they enjoy. So as like they come back, they expect that when they hit the ground, run the soon. Waiting our senior man Repalo, they tell us and myself, I just hope saying that so it go be. All right, my dear Arsenal lovers, I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way tomorrow, as usual, I'll get out here. Thanks for tuning in. Now, good night.